Every time we come in here, they do this. They block the handicap ramp. You can't get up. This is Wise and Frederick on 340. Now, they seen me filming them and they're still sitting there. It says no parking. You can see it right there. And they're going to the liquor store. They're going to liquors, beer, wine, deli, and lottery. But they sit there in front of the Wise Market. Someone with a wheelchair or anything can't get up there. Because look, there's no, let you go all the way around here.